Dear all, happy Ugadi. I trust this Ugadi will bring cheerful mood and prosperity and happiness in your life. I hope definitely God will help you to crack engineering IP or CBSE examinations, at the same time to crack JEE main oblique NEET or advanced examination. Definitely hard work dominates intelligence. There is no secret of success except hard work. Work. Definitely God will help you. Stay home, stay healthy. Exams are very fast approaching. Aware of COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, let us start Wood's reaction. The most important reaction for board exam, at the same time competitive exams also, Wood's reaction played a vital role. Alkyl halide, 2 moles of alkyl halide. I am going to write Al means alkyl, X means chloride, bromide, iodide. Alkyl halide reactive to sodium metal. Again I am going to write same alkyl halide. No problem. I am going to take 2 moles of alkyl halide. I can write alkyl halide this one, this type. No problem. Both are equal. Both are same. So here I am writing one alkyl halide. Again here I am writing another alkyl halide. So no problem. 2 moles of alkyl halide in presence of dry ether solvent, we get, you please observe it, 2NaXX, 2NaX plus R, that is nothing but alkanes. So using Wood's reaction, we are going to prepare alkanes, higher alkanes. We are going to prepare higher alkanes, that is symmetrical alkanes. That is even number of alkanes. We cannot prepare odd number of alkanes or unsymmetrical alkanes using Wood's reaction. We can prepare only even number of alkanes, that is symmetrical alkane, using Wood's reaction. So here you take example, alkyl halide, methyl chloride plus 2 moles of methyl chloride. Here 1 mole. Again I am going to write methyl chloride, again sodium plus again methyl chloride. I am going to take 2 moles of methyl chloride. What happened? Dry ether, 2NaCl plus CH3, nothing but ethane. What is this? Nothing but ethane. 1, even number, symmetrical. So we can prepare symmetrical alkane using Wood's reaction. We can prepare, that is even number carbons, 1, 2. You take methyl chloride, you get ethane. You get ethyl chloride, you get butane. You get propyl chloride, you get hexane. So at the same time, if you take ethyl chloride, what happened? Plus Na mala Cl C2H5, dry ether. You are not supposed to take aqueous. Why? If you take aqueous, that is water may react with sodium, Na plus react with water, we get sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen. If you take, instead of dry ether, if you say aqueous, ether. What happened? Aqueous is nothing but water. Water may react with sodium, highly reactive. We may get sodium hydroxide and hydrogen. This reaction may be disturbed if you take aqueous. So you must take dry ether. If you take aqueous, what happens? The sodium react with the water. We may have sodium hydroxide and hydrogen. This reaction may be hampered. This reaction may be disturbed. So one should take only dry ether. You are not supposed to take aqueous. If you take aqueous, this is the scenario. So don't take aqueous, only you take dry ether. This question may be posed in competitive examinations. Why you should take dry ether in Wurtz reaction? So if you take aqueous, what happens? Water may react with sodium. We may have sodium hydroxide and hydrogen. We may have sodium hydroxide. So this reaction may be disturbed. To avoid that, to take dry ether. What happened here? 2NaCl. Okay. Plus C2H5 or C2H5. That is nothing but butane. What happened? Butane. So 2 to 4. C4H10. Butane. So we are going to prepare symmetric alkanes or even number of alkanes using Wurtz reaction. We cannot prepare odd number of alkanes using Wurtz reaction. Let us see. If you take, I want to prepare propane. So I am going to take methyl chloride, sodium plus ethyl chloride, C2H5Cl. Dry ether, you know very well, dry ether. We are not supposed to aqueous. It may react with sodium. This reaction may be disturbed. So what happened? We may have, you know very well, I am writing this one, Cl, C2H5. So I want to prepare propane. Okay. I am taking methyl chloride. Okay. I am taking metal, sodium metal. Okay. At the same time, ethyl chloride. I am writing ethyl chloride in this manner. Cl, C2H5. Okay. What happened? You know very well. So 2NaCl. Okay, no problem. Plus CH3, C2H5. This is nothing but what is this? Propane. What is this? C3H8. C3H8. Propane. Okay. But at the same time, this reaction, do you know what will happen? You don't satisfy. Only propane may be obtained. No. Again what happened? There is a possibility 2 moles of methyl chloride may react with methyl chloride, sodium metal in presence of dry ether. We get ethane. Methyl chloride react with ethyl chloride. Methyl chloride and ethyl chloride react with sodium metal. We have prepared propane. CH3, C2H5, C3H8. Propane. Okay. But at the same time, there is another possibility. 2 moles of methyl chloride may react. What happened? Ethane. Again, there is another possibility. 2 moles of ethyl chloride. 2Na plus Cl, C2H5, C4H10. So one is propane, dry ether. Propane, ethane, butane. These boiling points are very similar. So it is impossible to separate even fractional distillation of flow. It is impossible to separate propane, to separate ethane, to separate butane using fractional distillation technique also, for which we cannot prepare odd number of carbons using Wurtz reaction. We cannot prepare CH3, CH2, CH3. This is nothing but propane, unsymmetric alkane. So this is unsymmetric alkane. Even number, no, odd number of carbons, 1, 2, 3, odd number of carbons. So even though I am ready to prepare odd number of carbon using Wurtz reaction, I have taken methyl chloride and ethyl chloride. I have propane. Okay, no problem. At the same time, there is a possibility 2 moles of methyl chloride react with sodium metal in presence of dry ether. We get ethane. Again, there is a possibility 2 moles of ethyl chloride. 2 moles of ethyl chloride in presence of dry ether. We may get butane. What nonsense it is! We have a propane, we have a ethane, we have a butane. So it is impossible to separate them. It is because their boiling points are very close with each other. So their boiling points are very close. So it is impossible to separate using fraction distillation also. For which it is not advisable to prepare odd number of carbons using Wurtz reaction. It is not advisable to prepare unsymmetric alkanes using Wurtz reaction. If you want to prepare unsymmetric alkanes using Wurtz reaction, this is the situation. You may have a propane, you may have a ethane, you may have a butane. It is impossible to separate propane, ethane and butane using fractional distillation technique also, because their boiling points are very close to each other. So this is the reason. Other thing is, which alkane cannot be prepared using Wurtz reaction. You please note it, competitive paranga chala important to methane. Methane alkane cannot be prepared using Wurtz reaction. Okay. So symmetric alkanes, second point, symmetric alkane, even number of electrons, even number of carbons, I'm sorry. So methane we cannot prepare using Wurtz reaction. Only prepare symmetric carbon, symmetric compounds. At the same time, even number of carbons. So please note it. Not possible to prepare odd number of compounds. I wish you all the best. If you like it, you subscribe your Chandra sir. God bless you.